Morning, boys. Tonight we're gonna draw Robo Cluck 3000 from Wow Wow Wubsy. Basically, this machine is basically created by WIDGETS. It's supposed to look like a chicken, only it's more like a machine. So to get started, we start with the knob on his forehead. Alright. Now we draw the lower half of his neck. Now we draw the cooler on his chest. There we go. Now we draw the chicken feet. And finished. One more thing. His feathers. And done. That's how you draw a Robo Cluck 3000. Now that's one interesting machine to build. Let's see what other machines that we can find on the Wow Wow Wubsy machine list. The checklist, that's what I meant. Anyway, that's how you draw one of WIDGETS' best inventions. To find out more on how to draw more robots like this, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. And be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.